Okay, continue our reading ocean. So we'll continue monster
Yes.
flower. Okay, did Teacher Mira continue this one, Dylan, yesterday?
Yes.
Did you continue reading this? No.
No.
Or you use another
It
reading?
finished.
This one is finished.
Yes.
Mhm. About this one?
Oh, none.
No. Okay. All right, Titan Arum. Okay, Dylan, let us continue the reading. Chapter 3, Titan Arum. Dylan,
Yes.
please read.
Titan.
Titan.
Titan. Another monster flower is also from Southeast Asia.
Asia.
Asia. It is the train or
Titan.
a titan. It
Mhm.
also smells like a dead animal. People
Oh,
call it the corpse flower.
okay. You know what is corpse? Corpse, Dylan? You know, you have idea? Any idea about the word
No.
corpse? No? It's a dead body of a person or like animals. But I think corpse is called a dead for a dead body of a human, right? Okay, so that is the smell. Okay, that is the smell of this flower, which is the Titan arum. Okay, which can be found where, Dylan? Where can we found this monster flowers Titan arum, Dylan? Where can we found the monster flower, the Titan arum? Where can we find that? In Southeast, Dylan, where?
Yes.
Where we can find that Taitung arum?
Oh,
In what part of the world? Southeast, Dylan, Southeast Asia. All right.
Southeast
So,
Asia.
all right. So in Southeast Asia, we can find the monster flower named Titan arum that smells like dead animals. That's why, because of that smell, Dylan, because of that smell, what do they call this Titan arum? They call it what?
Uh,
Dylan.
corpse flowers.
All right, corpse flower. All right, let us continue the reading, Dylan. Page 9. Okay, the corpse. Dylan, the corpse. Dylan.
Yes. The corpse flower looks like one big flower, but it is not. It is made up of many small flowers that grow side by side. This plant has the world's largest crops of flowers.
Okay. So take a look at the picture, Dylan. Here. So at first look, you will just think that it is only one flower, one big flower. But it says here, it is not because it is made of many flowers that grow, what? Grow side by side. Okay. It is the largest grouping of flowers. Okay, the Titum arum. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, next, Dylan. Continue the reading. The corpse flower. Oh, so it likes this one and close up. Dylan, continue. Dylan.
The crow's flower grows from the large root. It takes 6 months to make a flower. It only grows one at a time.
Mm.
A flower can grow to 3 months tall.
Okay, what about this one? Did you know?
Did you know on the first night the tree on
The
flowers opens,
Titan.
a titan opens, it makes steam.
It makes steam. Wow. All right. So the corpse flower grows from a large root. From the roots. Okay. How many months before it has flower, Dylan? How many months before this Titan arum give flower? Dylan, how many months? Dylan,
Mm,
how many months that they
6 months.
6 months before the flowers came out from Tatum arum. Okay, so how many times did it grow? One time, two times? How many times, Dylan?
One time.
One time, okay. And then how tall is this flower when it grow? Dylan, how tall is the flower when it's grow? How tall?
2 or 3 meters.
All right, 2 or 3 meters tall. Oh, that's a big flowers. Okay. Oh, it's a purple. What is your favorite color, Dylan? Dylan, what is your favorite color?
Color. Me?
Blue. Oh, my favorite color is yellow. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, um, did you know, Dylan? What's the color of this flower? Dylan,
Yes.
what color is this flower? What color?
This color. Purple.
Purple or violet, right? Did you know that people who loves or likes violet colors or purple colors, they say that when they love, they are really love that person. Okay. It's just some saying that. Okay, that you have a deepest love for that person. If you are a purple or violet person. Okay. All right, continue on page 11, Dylan. The corpse flower. Dylan, continue.
Oh, the cross flowers has both
Male.
male and female flowers. The
Mhm.
female flowers open on the first one day. The male flowers open on second day. After
Mhm.
3 days, the flowers pass down.
Okay. All right. So it is a sex. Wow. All right. Because it has male and female flowers. Okay, Dylan, I have a question. When we say female, male and female, what is well, a male? Is it girl or a boy, Dylan? When you say male, Dylan, male. When you say male, is it a girl or a boy? Dylan,
Yes,
male. Is it a girl or a
male,
boy?
male,
Yes, male. Here.
yes,
Is it a girl or a boy? We also have here female. When you say male, what is it? Is it a girl or a boy? Dylan.
yes.
Male. When you say male,
Yeah, I
was
know it.
it Is it a girl or a boy? Was
Yeah,
it
I know.
repair? Hmm?
Huh?
Male. Was it referring to a girl or a boy?
Female
Female. Okay, female
woman.
is it girl or a boy? Dylan, when we say male or female, do you know what is that?
I don't know.
No, all right. Okay, when we say male, this is referring to a boy. Okay, and then female, this is referring to a girl. All right. Okay. So I hope you learned something today. So sometimes in English vocabulary, especially in science, they ask, what is your gender? What's the gender? Male or female? Do you get it now, Dylan?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Okay, there's another term for boy, which is male, and female, a girl. We also have man, right? Man and woman, right? Man is referring to a boy or male. Girl referring to a female or woman. Okay? Dylan? I hope you learned something today. Okay. So, on the first day, what flowers opened first? Dylan, was it the female flowers or the male flowers? On the first day, who opened first? Dylan, who opened first on the first day? Here, first day. Who opened first the flowers? Is it the male or the female flowers? Dylan. Dylan. Dylan.
Yes.
On the first day, who opened first? The female or the male flowers? Open or bloom flowers. Who opened first? The female flowers or the male flowers? Dylan. Who opened first on the first day?
Oh,
Female flowers or male flowers?
males. So,
First day, on the first day, is it male?
first day of female flower.
All right, female flowers. And the next day will be the male flowers on the second days. Then after 3 days, what will happen, Dylan, after 3 days? After 3 days, what will happen? Dylan, after 3 days,
Yes.
what will happen?
Flowers first time.
Okay, flowers fall down. Okay, so that is the life of the Taitung Aron. All right, so we'll continue our story tomorrow. So right now, kindly get your book, Get Smart, or